What's going on, everyone? My name is Chase Reiner, and today we're going to be talking about how I completely automated my income with ChatGPT and AI. Now, I'm going to give you a simple step-by-step system that you can get started with even if you're a complete beginner. And I'm going to show you how I went from making only a few $1,000s a month to a few $1,000s a day. This is going to be something that if you've never seen it before, you might be a little bit shocked about how easy this is, but I'm also going to let you know that I'm not guaranteeing that it's going to work for you overnight. This is something that you have to put some time into, you got to put some effort into, and eventually you can earn a ton of money with this. So this is my Stripe account. You can see today I've already made over $1,000, yesterday over $2,000, and this is just on Stripe. If you check my PayPal account as well, you'll see that I made probably somewhere around $3,000 to $4,000 yesterday. Again, if you want to get started with this, you're probably going to expect to start making over a couple $100s a day and then scale from there. Is it going to happen though? By tomorrow? Probably not, because again, you have to learn the process. So how are we going to actually earn money with AI? Now, ideally, what we want to do is we want to start out by finding something that we can sell. Now, I've actually put together a full free checklist, and this is a bunch of different tools that you can actually get paid to promote. Now, you can promote whatever you want. It could be a tool, it could be a service, it could be a course. It does not matter, because with this system, I'm going to be showing you how you can pretty much sell whatever you want. But I would recommend that you just choose something that you want to sell. Now, if you're going to be selling somebody else's products, then you're going to get something called an affiliate link. And the way an affiliate link works is you're basically going to go to one of the tools, you're going to sign up for their affiliate program, and then they're going to give you a link that you can use in the content that you're going to be creating with AI, and you're going to earn money with those links. So let me just show you an example of a tool that I've gotten paid to promote in the past. This is an AI content writing tool. And if I scroll to the bottom of this website, I can click on become an affiliate or affiliate program. And this tool will give me a special link that I can use, and I will get paid to promote. Now, I've probably earned, I don't know, a few $1,000s a month for the last few years with this tool. And I've only promoted it a few times, and I promoted it a long time ago. So if I go to payouts here, I can see I've been getting paid $2,000, $2,000, $2,000 for a long time. Now, the way you're going to start earning a ton of money is not just by promoting one tool, but by diversifying your income. You could have 10 to 20 tools like this paying you out every single month. And as you get more tools paying you, you're going to be able to earn more money. Now, how do we actually go and sell these tools? Well, what we're going to do is we're going to use this formula. Basically, if we can get views, we can get leads. And if we can get leads, we can get sales. And if we can get sales, we can earn money. But the first thing we have to figure out is, how do we get views? So I've completely automated my views by using AI. Now, there's tools that you can use if you want to use AI tools. And there's also a way to do this manually, but it just takes longer. Now, I've actually built an AI company that builds videos for you if you want to use an AI clone of yourself in an automated way to make videos that get views. Here's an example of one of the videos. Let me just play one of them so you can hear it.
Step into the exciting world of AI. Let's unleash the potential of making money online with your AI clone. Imagine having a twin who's working tirelessly for you 24/7. That's your AI clone. Create an AI clone of yourself.
So this is just a short video, which, by the way, I recommend you do short videos because they bring in a lot of leads. And then I recommend doing long form videos if you want to bring in sales, because long form videos like the one you're watching right now are great for selling things. Short form videos are great for bringing in leads. And I'm going to show you how in just one second. But I'm going to show you how you can go and make videos like this with our tool, or if you don't want to use our tool, you can also make these videos manually. Sorry, I had to turn off the fridge in the background. I got a fridge full of drinks and it makes noise. So let's talk about these videos though. How do you actually get views with them? Now, what you ideally do is you download one of these videos or you create one on your own, and then you go and post these videos on places like Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, and more. Now, here's a Instagram profile that I own, and I own many Instagram profiles, by the way, because the cool thing about this method is that you can promote these videos on as many different social media platforms as you'd like and as many profiles as you'd like. And you don't have to have a ton of followers to start getting views. We have tons of examples of people using AI content to start bringing in views, even if they don't have a ton of followers. And that's what's great about the short algorithm or short form algorithm on most of these platforms is they don't really require you to have a ton of followers to start getting views. So here's an example of some of the content. You can see we have 26,000 views on this one, 45,000, and we're experimenting with a lot of different type of content, okay? You don't really have to have one type of content to be able to get views. You could actually, if you felt like it, you could just make the content yourself. It's really up to you. But here's an example of a bunch of different videos that we're testing out, some that are ShineRanker or Shinify, and some that we're doing ourselves. Here's a few that we made with our tool. You can see 10,000 views, 4,000 views, 2,000 views, 3,000 views. And we even have users that are using our tool and AI content to get millions of views on some of their videos. Now, let's talk about the different options you have when it comes to creating these types of videos. So first of all, you can create the video yourself. You can have AI create the video, and you can kind of stitch the content together if you want to do it manually. I'll talk about that in just a few moments. And then you can also use our tool ShineRanker / Shinify. We're actually rebranding it to go and build the content for you with just one click. This option costs a little bit more money. It's about $90 something per month to use our tool. And if you get the annual plan, it's significantly cheaper. If you pay for the year, I think it breaks down to about $40 a month or something like that. I'll leave links to all the different options below in the description. And those are the three main options, okay? So if you do a video yourself, you basically just pull out your phone and you start talking about whatever these videos are about, right? So whatever you're selling. So if you're going to be selling an AI tool, you would create a short form video about an AI tool. Now, instead of going and creating the video from scratch, what I would recommend is just go to one of the videos that you're going to see on Instagram or TikTok or whoever's getting views for the thing that you want to get views for, and you would just go and replicate that video. So that's option one. Option two, and you just use your phone for that. Option two is you'd use AI to create the video. Now, how would you do that? Well, you can actually transcribe these videos. TikTok allows you to transcribe videos, so does YouTube. And you can take the transcription and you can plug that transcription into a tool called 11 Labs. And 11 Labs will actually go and clone your voice. So if I go to 11labs.io, I can upload a clip of my voice, and then I can use text-to-speech like this to go and get an audio file. Once I get the audio file, I can head over to another tool like Midjourney to go and start generating images for me. And I can eventually, once I get all the different things I need, the images, the audio files, and the captions, which I can get from CapCut, I can pull all of this together and I can have a video. But if I don't want to do all this stuff myself, I can always head over to Shinify or ShineRanker, and I can just go and use the tool to go and build this just by clicking on a few buttons and clicking on generate. Now we have step-by-step videos inside of ShineRanker. By the way, if you click on ShineRanker VIP, you can watch the full checklist, the walkthrough that you get when you get the tool, and it'll actually take you through step-by-step how to go and set up the tool so you can just start doing one-click AI videos. But again, the choice is yours. However you do it though, again, just choose a way of getting views. And the best way to get views, in my opinion, is literally just go find a video that's already trending and go replicate it, okay? Now, in my case, what I actually do is I just do the intros to my videos. So I'll go and record an intro saying, hey, if you're not using AI, you need to get started today. And then I have somebody go and clone my voice with 11 Labs, and then they actually go and make the video for me. And the reason why we do it that way is because we do like step-by-step tutorials on our videos. And so you don't have to do that, but if you wanted to have somebody go and make the content for you, you could do something like hire a VA to go and do that for you. How do you hire a VA? Well, you can go to something like onlinejobs.ph and you can go find somebody that you can pay to work for you. If I go to look for talent here, I can type in virtual assistant, search, and you can see here, this person is willing to work 4 hours per day at $3 an hour for $264 per month, okay? Now, this is only if you start making some money. I recommend you do everything yourself until you make a few bucks, and then I would take that money and I would reinvest it into people that will do things for you. And then you start automating at a higher level. The reason why I don't really have to do anything anymore is because not only have I automated what I'm doing with AI, but I'm actually having virtual assistants or VAs go and run the tools for me, run the automations for me. And so we'll get to that later, but just know that you don't have to really do anything once you get this process set up. All you have to do is really just monitor what other people are doing. So either way, let's say you start getting some views. Now, when you get views, you want to send people somewhere. Now, where I recommend people to go is to a landing page. So in some of the videos, let me actually just break down this video for you so you can see what I'm doing here. I'm telling people to go to a few different websites. And when they go to a website, I'm actually capturing my visitors' information. So let me just play this for you so you can hear it. Hold on. If you're not using AI to make over $1,000 a day, you need to stop what you're doing and watch this video. I made $1,000 yesterday using... So notice that's my AI voice. That's not me talking.
Only AI, and today I'm going to show you how you can make money too.
Just like I showed you earlier, they're required to enter their email. When I get their email, now I'm able to send emails about the things that I'm promoting, whether it's a tool or a boot camp or anything that I'm wanting to sell. I can sell that to the people that enter their email. And remember, it's very important to get people's emails, and it's very important to get leads, because if you don't, it's very hard to sell to them just from them watching a 10-second or 30-second TikTok video or YouTube video, right?
.com and download this free checklist. It's a full list of AI tools that you can get paid to promote. Each tool will provide you with a special link that you...
So as you can see, this is kind of just a summary of what we're talking about here. I'm just kind of showing them how this works. But in the video that you're watching right now, I'm breaking it down even further. So that way, when I'm selling something, right? If I'm selling something in this video, I can say, hey, I know you watched the short video. Here's the long form showing you like a little bit more about how it works. And then I can go and sell the full solution, which, by the way, here's the sale pitch right here. If you haven't joined our boot camp, we have a 6-week boot camp. So if you really want to learn and you don't want to just watch a 20-minute YouTube video like the one you're watching right now, and you want to like have us go and walk you through step-by-step everything you need to do from A to Z to get this set up, you would join our 6-week intensive boot camp with recordings. So you don't have to join all the classes, but what you would do is you would be on the Zoom calls if you want. You can ask questions, or you just watch the recordings. And we're going to be walking through every single thing that you need to do step by step to get set up with this.
Will use to promote it. Now, to get millions of visitors to your link, we will use an automation software called Shine.
Now, notice when they go to ShineRanker, they also have to enter their email. So I have multiple options to get email addresses. And again, the reason I do that is because just getting people to watch a 30-second video is not going to make any money. And I always say this, you can't take views to the bank. You can only take leads and sales to the bank. So if you want to make money, you need to make sure that you convert the people that are watching your videos into leads.
ShineRanker. This software will create unique videos to drive traffic. To get access to it, go to shineranker.com.
And then it just kind of shows how the tool works and how to use AI to generate content, okay? So remember, you don't have to completely replicate the videos I'm doing. You can get a ton of views just going and generating AI videos and telling people that they can go generate videos with AI as well. So there isn't really a right or wrong way to bring in views. This is kind of more optional, and it's more up to you. So choose how you want to bring in views. And by the way, there's also another tool that you can use if you don't feel like going and posting all these videos yourself. You can use a tool called Radar, which we will be showing you how to use inside the bootcamp. But if you use Radar, you can connect social media channels to this tool, and you can go and publish on social media without actually having to be on social media all day. And you can see this as Reddit's because a few of these didn't post, but all these other ones did. You can see this automatically posted content to all these different social media platforms without me ever having to be on social media. So I've actually uninstalled social media from my phone because I don't have to be on social media. And it's really great because a lot of people think that they have to be on social media all day in order to make money. They don't. You can automate all of this. You can have somebody post your content for you, create your content for you, post your content for you, and you can have tools do this, and you can schedule out all your content. Like, you can really, really automate this where you're not really doing anything except just making sure the thing is running, okay? So you get your content out, you get your leads, and once you get your leads, you can start getting some sales. How do you get sales? You start sending out emails. So for this, I use a tool called ConvertKit. ConvertKit allows me to gather leads, and it allows me to send out emails every day about the things that I'm selling. So you can see I'm selling the boot camp right now. If I wanted to send out a new email, which I probably will, about this video, I could say right here, new video about how to use AI to automate your income. And I can go and send this off to all the people on my email list, which I have over 200,000 people, or about 200,000 people on my email list. And so if I just keep repeating this over and over and over, eventually I will start getting people to buy whatever I'm selling. And remember, I can sell whatever I want. I don't have to be limited to selling my own products. I could be selling other people's products. However, if I want to sell my own products, I can do that as well. If I want to sell a service, I can sell that. If I want to sell coaching calls, I can sell that. If I want to sell, it's really up to you. And a lot of the things that I'm making money with are different things that I've just sold in the past. So I've sold subscriptions, I've sold services, I've sold courses, I've sold all kinds of things, you name it. And now, because I have all these different reoccurring payments coming in, whether it's from affiliate tools or my own products or whatever I'm selling, I have an automated income that I can sit back and relax on. And then I can kind of just choose what I want to do. You might be thinking, Chase, if you don't have to do anything, why are you doing this video? Because I have nothing else to do. I want to do something, right? Your life starts to go from, I have all this, I have no time, to I have all this time, and now I need to figure out something to do. And so I just choose to do videos still, because if I don't, I'm literally just sitting on the couch doing nothing, okay? So maybe that's what you want to do, but it's not what I want to do. So that's why I'm doing these videos still. But I'll also leave links to all the things I talked about today, and I hope you learned something. If you did, let me know. Reply with the word yes, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, happy money making. We'll see you. Bye.